Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm giving you guys an advice. Once you guys try to clean your carpet, because I did this yesterday. First time that I used my pressure washer with the 2000 psi, 1.2 GPM, and this is the final result. As you see, yesterday this carpet's a little bit gross, and while I use my pressure washer, it clean up really well. You can see it here. You can see the difference. It cleans really well. I think this is better than using the machine which I used to use it before, which is the carpet cleaner machine. But I decided to use a pressure washer. And the pressure washer really works. Yeah, it works really well. Now it's a little bit dry. I'm gonna pull this and we're gonna use it again.
It's already dry.
It is. Say hi.
Hi. I like carpet.
How's the carpet? Is it clean?
Yeah, it is. I don't see any bird here.
Yeah,
I don't even see any bird here.
it's beautiful. Look. Say hi. Now it's
Hi.
cleaner than before. And that's my boy, Tisoy.
Yoga. My back.
So I highly recommend you guys try to use the Hart 2000
Very nicely.
PSI 1.2 GPM. It works really well to a carpet, and you are also able to use it to your vehicle, to cleaning your car, to cleaning your patio, to cleaning your driveway. It's a wonderful pressure washer. I highly recommend. I bought it from Walmart.com. You won't get wrong. 90 days warranty, store return policy, and it has a warranty from manufacturing, which is 1 year. Buy it. You won't get wrong. Until next time, guys. I catch you guys later for my next video. May God bless you all. Bye for now. Say bye.
Bye.
God bless.